Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gigi Learner. Today's video we shall discuss about meaning, definition, nature of public administration. This chapter deals with the core system of third semester political science honors, and this video is also applicable or helpful to the candidates or aspirants of UGC NET and civil service examination. So you have to know what is public administration. Public administration is an integral part or subject matter of the political science. Administration as an activity is as old as society itself, but as an area of study, it originated with the publication of Wilson's essay on study of public administration in 1887. As a process, administration occurs in both public and private organizations. It occurs in such diverse institutions as sitting as a business firm, labor union, religious or charitable organizations, educational institutions, etc. All such type of activity comes under purview of administration. Every institution, every agency needs properly administered. Administration is commonly divided into two types, public and private administration. While public administration relates to the activity carried out by the government, private administration refers to the management of business enterprises or private organizations. Now we shall discuss about what is public administration, what is administration or meaning of administration. What administration mean? The word administer is derived from the Latin word administere, which means to take care of or to look after people or to manage affairs. Administration may be defined as group activity which involves cooperation and coordination for the purpose of achieving desired goal or objective. It also means the sum total of activity undertaken to implement public policy or policies to produce some services or goods. That is the meaning of administration or what is administration. Now we shall discuss about what is public administration. Public administration is a means to carry out the public decisions of the government made by the political executive. Public administration is government administration, government in action, or a socio-economic and politico-administrative confluence, the focus is being especially on public bureaucracy. Encyclopedia Britannica defines public administration as the application of a policy of a state through its government. Public administration therefore refers to that part of administration which pertain to the administrative activity of the government, whether it is local, state or central. Now we shall discuss about some of the definition of public administration. Now let us discuss some definition of public administration provided by various scholars. First of all, we shall discuss Woodrow Wilson. What Woodrow Wilson says about the public administration. According to Woodrow Wilson, public administration is detailed and systematic application of law. Every application every application of a law is an act of administration. This is the definition of Woodrow Wilson. According to L.D. White, public administration consists of all those operations having for their purpose the fulfillment and enforcement of public policy. This is the what defined by the L.D. White. According to Luther Gulke, public administration is that part of the science of administration which has to do with government. It concerns itself primarily with the executive branch where the work of the government is done, though there are obviously problems also in connection with the legislative and judicial branches. This is the definition of Luther Gulke. According to Dwight Waldo को मतरे public administration is the art and science of management as applied to the affairs of the state. This is the what Waldo defines. Next, Percy M.C. Quinn. Percy M.C. Quinn defines public administration is related to the operation of government, whether central or local. That is the definition of what defines by Percy M.C. Quinn. According to J.M. Fifner, administration consists of getting the work of a government done by coordinating the efforts of people so that they can work together to accomplish their set tasks. This is the definition of Fifner. According to M. Rudraswamy, he is an Indian thinker. According to him, when administration has to do with the affairs of the state or minor political institution like municipal or country council, district board, it is called public administration. All the acts of the official of government from the open in a remote office to the head of the state in the capital constitute public administration. This is the definition of M. Ramaswamy. According to H.A. Simon, D.W. Smith Work, and V.A. Thompson, these three authors defines the public administration as by public administration is meant in common usage the activity of executive branches of national, state, local governments, government corporations, certain other agencies of a specialized character, specially excluded are judicial and legislative agency within the government and non-government administration. According to Carson and Harris, they defines public administration is the action part of government. This means by which the purpose and goal of government are realized. According to Marshall E. Dimmock, he defines public administration is concerned with the what and how of the government. The what is the subject matter and technical knowledge of field which enables the administration to perform its tasks. The how is the technique of management, the principles according to which cooperative programs are carried through to success. Each is indispensable together. They form the synthesis called administration. This is the view or definition of Marshall E. Dimmock. According to F.A. Negro or L.G. Negro, public administration consists of is a cooperative group effort in public setting, covers all three branches, executive, legislature, and judicial, and their interrelation, has an important role in the formulation of public policy, and is thus a part of the political process. is different in significant way from private administration and is closely associated with the numerous private groups and individuals in providing service to the community. This is definition of FA Negros and LG Negros. Now we shall discuss about nature of public administration. What is the nature of public administration? There are two views regarding the nature of public administration, that is the integral and managerial. First, integral view. First of all, we shall discuss what is the integral view of public administration, the nature of public administration. According to integral view, administration is the sum total of all the activities, manual, clerical, managerial, etc., which are undertaken to realize the objective of organization. In this view, all the acts of the official of the government, from attendant to the secretaries to the government and head of the state, constitute public administration. This is the integral view about the nature of public administration. Henry Fayol, L.D. White are the supporter of this view. Secondly, managerial view about the nature of public administration. What managerial view of nature of public administration views or says? According to managerial view of administration, the managerial activity of the people who are involved in planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, controlling constitute public administration. This view regards administration as getting things done and not doing things. Luther Gulki, Herbert Simon, Simthpark, Thompson are the supporter of this view. The managerial view excludes public administration from non-managerial activities such as manual, clerical, technical activities. So this is the what managerial view about the nature of public administration. Thank you very much. On next lesson, we shall discuss about scope of public administration. Thank you very much.